guys can see, we got the bikes lined up here. And if you can hear from the background, we stumbled upon a car meet that's got some crazy exotics here, including this real loud ZL1 Camaro that is terrorizing our ears right now. But we got Lambos lined up over here, man. The beautiful McClaren 765 LT and this brand new Ferrari. I'm not even sure exactly the name of this Ferrari. I know it just came out though, brand new. But God, this thing gorgeous. My goodness. This is dope. So many cars here. As I said before, North Carolina, they have a dope bike life scene, obviously a dope car scene, and it's just vibes out here, man. This obviously is a V8 in this Genesis. It's crazy. This is nuts. Everybody's out here enjoying themselves. Oh my God, look at this Dodge Viper ACR. Sheesh. Ooh, Mustang Shelby. You don't see these every day. Shelby Cobra. Right behind me is a Ferrari. I think it's a fastback. 4-seater, obviously. This is awesome. Woo, my God. Just look at the lineup here, man. Look at this lineup. R8. Right behind the Porsche. Pretty sure that's an M5 behind it. It's a GT3. Damn. M5 gotta be. Lambo creeping up. Damn. Aston Martin. Gee whiz, man. Let's see if we can get a look at some more of these cars, man. This is crazy. The Ferrari with the Rolls Royce in the back of it. Lambos. This Dodge Viper is sickening. This guy is just terrorizing our ears over here. S1000 and Triple R looking glorious. Got some fun. Appreciate you hosting us, Josh. Hell yeah, man. This was a lot of fun, man. Reaper, I appreciate you, bro.
Yes, sir, man.
Yo, we all had a great time. It was excellent runs today, man.
Yeah, man.
A lot of fun today, man. A lot of fun. This was a lot of fun. Every time I come to North Carolina, it seems like we just have some dope ass times and dope runs, man. Because it's been pretty dope, man. But guys, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. If you're a subscriber, please tap that bell. You will get notified when new content is uploaded. I know I've been saying this a million times, but the exhaust is on the way. I actually called the company where I got it from. It arrived in the US. It was held up in customs, but it will be at my house this week, I promise you. And that video will be shown to you guys very, very soon. I will see you on the next episode. So ride safe and peace out, people.